Hello and welcome back to Just Playing Around, and I am your host Clay. Now it's not easy to tell because I'm trying to make a video in the dark, but if you take and flash it with bright light, it glows. Now you saw this a little bit at the beginning. 1 second. Now, it's kind of hard for me to tell right now. I'm going to take an area that's not glowing as well. Take this bright light. Like that. And now you can see the sand glow. Now, nothing has sprouted recently, and it's kind of hard to get this on camera because, well, my camera is not really made for taking pictures without there being any light. Here's one of the stickers glowing in the dark. See how fast that's fading? Now, of course, it would last longer in real life and if I had a brighter light or exposed it to bright light for longer. Already at the point where it's no longer visible on camera. But it does glow, but it's in 3.5 days and nothing has sprouted. So it might take a while for it to work because, well, we're trying to get seeds to grow, and that can sometimes take a while. But it does glow, so yeah. Also, I meant to do this on the 1st. I ended up making it on the 3rd. I can try to get it to light up again real quick. Let me see if I can get right one of the other stickers to light up. Well, it's sand. And another thing I'm supposed to look at was if I could get these stickers here that I wasn't as sure about to glow. Don't think it is. This is glowing very kind of well now. Can't see the station very well. So there's also a fog that I'm gonna try. Not sure if it's glow in the dark or not, but this is a good view of him roasting his marshmallows. So I'm going to leave it like this for a moment and then I'll be back. Alright, gotta check in 3, 2, 1. Oh. But you can't really see it on camera. It glows. It's not very good at glowing. You can see over here some of the sand. So, yeah. The stickers that are colored other than a light blue don't glow in the dark. While everything else everything else does. It would probably be better to test this after I put it in stronger lights for longer. But that's all for part 3. So, bye. Make sure to subscribe.